So the equation P equals 3,000 times 1.026 to the x represents a $3,000 investment at 2.6% interest compounded annually. So determine how many years it'll take to double. Okay, well, to figure out how much it's gonna be when it doubles, I mean it's gonna go to 6,000, right? Because 3,000 there is the coefficient. It represents the y-intercept and the initial value of the investment here. So let's just go to the calculator here. Go to y equals 3,000 times 1.026. Close that to the exponent x. And down here we'll put 6,000. Okay. Now, I'm going to graph this, although I can tell you right now, I don't know what the x value should be, but I can tell you right now my y value should be substantially larger than what it is. I've got the regular window settings. Negative time doesn't make much sense, neither does negative value. So x min and y min should probably both be 0. I don't know what the x max should be, but the y max should very likely be larger than 6,000. So let's make that maybe 7,000. And let's just see what happens when I graph it, when it goes out to 10 there. Well, I can see that my blue graph, which is the original one, it is increasing, but man, not by much. So let's go make that x max substantially bigger. Let's maybe make that 30, see what happens here. Okay, now the increase is a little bit more pronounced. Oh, it might happen. Oh, yeah, there we go. There's that point of intersection that we were looking for. So now I go second trace to get into the calc menu. I'm looking for the intersect. Is it on the first curve? Yep. Did it jump to the second curve? Yep. Is it okay to guess that? Yep. There we go, 27.00. Now, I suspect that this is, okay, how many years does it take to double? It took just a hair, a tiny fraction, more than 27 years. When we take a quick look at that here, let me quit and put x here so you can see that clearly. 27.004, like, so essentially, what is that, 5/1000ths of a year to get to double the value here. So really, I understand that means it happened in the 28th year, but it happened so close to the beginning of that time frame that really it took 27 years for that to happen.